to my channel. I thought I would do another what I eat in a day video because you guys loved the last one. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. Basically, I eat intuitively while also being gluten-free, dairy-free, and mainly paleo. So about 90% of the time. And if I want to like eat something with grains once in a while, I will. But that's generally how I eat for the most part. This morning I had my normal lemon water. You guys have seen it tons of times. Lots of vitamin C, wakes up your digestion, super hydrating in the morning. And then I had some coffee, which I am obsessed with the new Four Sigmatic adaptogen ground coffee. Not sponsored at all by Four Sigmatic. I am just obsessed with this coffee. I pour some into like a little pour over thing. I saturate the beans and then it just goes through. But you can definitely use this ground coffee like French press style, or if you have a normal percolator coffee, either the way, but it's super delicious. And I find it gives me energy without being jittery or like palpitation-y, and it's like focus. I don't know. They put some adaptogen in it, and let's just say that the adaptogens do work their magic. But it is time for breakfast, and although I've been loving my pumpkin coconut yogurt bowl that you guys saw in my last one, I thought I would change it up and do like an apple yogurt bowl that is perfect for fall too and super delicious. So let's go ahead and make it. So this is the yogurt I'm going to be using. You guys saw me use it in my coconut yogurt bowl. This is my favorite dairy-free yogurt, some almond butter, and then there's this new grain-free granola I'm going to try. So we'll see how that is. So it's a couple hours later. I have just been filming some desserts this morning, but it's time for lunch. It's about 1, and I thought I would make like a salad with some eggs as a quick protein. Eggs are a protein I reach to a lot because they're quick to make, but they're also a complete protein, meaning they have all the essential amino acids that you need in a protein. So it's pretty much a win-win. I'm gonna have that with the salad and maybe, I feel like something crunchy, so maybe some nuts or some like crackers or something. We'll see. So I'm gonna mix some of this baby spinach and arugula, avocado. I chopped up some tomatoes. I'm gonna cook some eggs, and then these are my favorite crackers. They're like keto friendly. They're like essentially 0 carbs, but I just like the crunch of them and have them alongside of the salad egg bowl. So I'm gonna have like this little brownie I made this morning after lunch, because who can say no to freshly baked brownies? And they are pumpkin swirl brownies. They're not gonna be up before this video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss this video, because they're fudgy and delicious, and they have this like pumpkin swirl that's almost like a pumpkin cheesecakey type of feel swirl. So it's delicious. Going to have that, and yeah, that is like my little lunch. So it's a little while later, and I thought for dinner I would do like a chicken broccoli cashew type stir fry. I don't know, so I'm in the mood for like some sort of Asian flavor, so I'm gonna make that, and it's super easy. You can definitely switch up the protein or the vegetable for whatever you have on hand. You could do, yeah, whatever you want. You can even do tofu if you want, but it's a really quick, easy meal. So I have some chicken that I marinated already. I'll leave the marinade down below. It's from my chicken marinades video. It's like a sesame ginger style Asian one. Some ginger. I mix a little bit of arrowroot with water to kind of thicken the sauce. Some cashews, mushrooms, and then some broccoli. For a little dessert, I'm having a bag of these Smart Sweet gummy bears, and they're really great. They're only 3 grams of sugar. I really like the sour ones. They also do like a normal fruit one, sorry. But sour ones are really delicious, and you can see the net carbs are super low. You just subtract the fiber from the carbs, so you can see it's only like 7, which is really low for candy, and 3 grams of sugar. So if you guys like candy, this is literally the only candy I eat. It's so, so good. Highly recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed that what I eat in a day. I'm going to leave my what I eat in a day playlist right here so you can get lots more ideas and lots more delicious recipes in there. And I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.